You're building an iOS app and you want to record a bug or a flow or a design detail or something. And you want to get that off your phone and you realize there's not a great way to do that. You can screen record and airdrop and do the whole song and dance, or you can plug it into QuickTime, start a pseudo recording, and then screenshot the window. But at that point, you're not really screenshotting your app, you're screenshotting QuickTime, and you get the title bar and the floating controls and the traffic lights and the window drop shadow and all that crap. I've been building apps for the better part of a decade, and this is by far the biggest pain in my workflow. Which at a macro scale, not too shabby, right? But I have the power to fix this, and I did. So I built WireView mostly for myself and for my workflow, but also possibly for you. This is WireView. It is stupid simple. It lives in your menu bar. Or in a proper window if you're nasty. It's really dumb, really simple. You plug your phone in through USB, it appears here. You can screenshot, copy, save, do whatever. That's the whole thing. By now, the audience is probably split into two camps. Why would I need this? And oh my God, I need this. If you're in the first camp, you can probably leave now. It's not going to get any better for you. If you're in the second camp, let me sweeten the deal. I'm going to open up the main window just so we can get a better idea of what I'm talking about. WireView uses the same underlying technology that QuickTime uses for its screen recordings. So the recording quality is about the same. It's just more tailor-fit to this workflow. I'm going to change this to my desktop. Beep. Allow me to give you a demo. Thank you. The same quality, the same everything, it is pixel perfect. Of course, I can screen record, so I'm going to do Command R to start a recording, and I'm popping through the app, I'm scrolling through, I'm doing all this stuff, and I stop the recording, and there it is, records just as you would expect. If you have multiple devices connected, you can change between them in the sidebar here. Let me give you a realistic example. So say I'm working on the Mail app, and I'm auditing it, and I'm looking for bugs, and I hit this button, and I realize something doesn't look quite right. So I have Linear open, start a new issue, and I just say copy, paste, done. This looks weird. Please fix. I'm great at writing bug reports too. This is actually a little bit better than QuickTime at recording. Let me show you. So in QuickTime, when you are doing some weird edge cases, like maybe you rotate your phone mid-recording or you yank out the cable mid-recording, it just crashes. WireView is all about this exact workflow, so of course it safeguards against this. So I'm gonna start a recording, I'll flip my phone sideways, flip it back around, maybe I'll pop back out, flip it again, and stop the recording. And what happens is it looks for the largest dimension and then makes a square video and it captures it exactly as you would expect it. No frames lost. It's amazing. Let's say I'm trying to record a really specific portion of the screen. Maybe I'm like trying to work on a button transition. And normally you would have to grab the entire frame and then possibly crop it after, but that's a huge pain in the ass on the Mac. So there's also a crop feature. I'm going to start cropping. I'm going to drag around this region, start a recording, pop up, pop down, maybe I captured the bug, and stop it. It captures exactly what I wanted. It of course works for screenshot. I can do Command S or Command Shift S if I want to save as. There it is. Everything has a keyboard shortcut, everything has a menu bar item, everything is in the toolbar and you can customize it. It's a good Mac app. If either of the workflows at the beginning sounds familiar, check out WireView. It's on the Mac App Store. Let me know what you think. If you have feedback, I'm super available. Hey, thanks for watching this video. If you liked it, that's nice. Okay.